starting now. And now, the moment you all been waiting for. Do you recognize this?
Introducing from the red.
Yeah. Introducing the first student in the red corner.
His perfect, his record, perfect.
Yeah, yeah.
He stands at 5'9".
5'9".
All,
Actually,
all, all, all of his, all of his records from knockouts.
yeah.
So
15 fights, 15 knockouts. All right. We are at, where are we at? We are at 20,
105.
no, we're at 2022 SHSAT um, Test 1 Handbook. Okay, this is as far as I know. Now, we're checking. We're checking. I have your answers here. I have the right answers. I had the right answers too. And we're going. 105 is
Okay.
D, and you both got it. You both got it.
Okay.
Okay, 106. One of you did get it right, one of you did not. And let's just go over that question right now. So, a car travels at 4,400 feet per minute. The radius of each tire on the car is 1 foot. How many revolutions does one of these tires make in 1 minute? Okay, so since the radius is 1 foot, we're going to have to use, because this is a tire, right? We're gonna have to use the circumference formula because that's how much like it's all around, right? That's how much distance it's gonna go through. So it's 2 pi r. We're gonna use for r, we're going to use 1. It's going to be c equals to 2 pi times 1, which is just c equals to 2 pi. Now we're going to use 22 over 7 for the pi, right? So 2 times 22 over 7, which is 44 over 7.
Okay.
I totally mismanaged my space. All right, and now we're going to divide that whole distance by how long is the tire. So it's going to be 4,400 divided by 44 over 7 or times, we're going to skip that step, 7 over 44, which will give us 44 and 400, 4,400 will go and reduce themselves. It's going to be 100 times 7, which is 700, which is E.
let's go.
All right.
Nice.
Yeah. So, yeah. The next question is question number 107. 107 is both of you. Both of you did get it right.
Okay.
Oh, I thought you said both of us got it wrong. I was
No,
gonna freak out.
both of you did get it right, and you supposed to get it right. That's just a calculation question. Come on. All right. Next is 108. 108 is G, which is one. Both of you got right. All right, all right.
Yeah.
Well, thank God, probability questions too. You know what I mean? Don't have to do them. I don't like doing those um, boring probability questions is it's very dull. We are like, let's do some hard questions. That's it's much more exciting. Okay, 109. You have same answer, which is the correct answer. Very good. Okay, you guys on some sort of a streak now. 3 questions in a row, both of you.
Me and Aziz are popping off.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So let's go. Let's go. 110, 110, 110. Alert that not one of you will get it wrong because the answers are different. 110 is H. Ooh, Dimitri got it right. And Aziz John got this one wrong. Let's see. Using an approximation, 2.5 centimeters equals to 1 inch. How many centimeters are in 4 feet? Oh my God. That's really oh my God. Aziz John.
Yeah.
This one's easy.
It is. It is.
Well, I just estimated.
Why?
And what you should do instead is 12 times 4
Obviously.
and then plus 7 and then you have to divide it by 2.54, I'm pretty sure.
Mm,
No.
no.
You have to you have
Make
to
a
do
make a
yeah.
proportion. I think you're gonna have to multiply, but who knows? Maybe we have to divide. But you can make a proportion. You can say 2.5 centimeters equals to 1 inch, right? And
Okay.
then how many centimeters will equal to 55 inches? So what do you have to do? X times 1, which is x, equals to this times this, which is multiplying. And yeah, you're going to have to, if you cannot estimate that properly, you're going to have to multiply and do like the solid double digit, triple digit multiplication. But 2.5 times 50, let's see if we can approximate. Let's see. But some questions are way too close. It's going to be hard to do that like precisely. But hold on 1 second. Wow. 5 times 4 is what? 5
20.
times 4. 20. 0 and 2, correct?
Yeah.
That means that blah, 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 blah. This 0 will be here. Is that right?
Yeah.
Do you see an answer with a 0 except h?
No.
So sometimes we don't approximate, but we can just see what would be the last digit by multiplying the first two. It's gonna give us 0, and that 0 is the only 0 that's in the end out of all these answers.
Okay.
All right. This is it. Okay. 111. 111, two different answers, and we have. Okay, this is the first one when Aziz John got it right and Dimitri got it wrong.
Yay.
Bro, I thought I was
Yeah.
gonna have a perfect streak.
And, but it's okay. Let's see. But let's see how bad. Like, could have you gotten that right, or was it a legit mistake? Let's find out right now. So, JM, whole thing, is 9 3/4. Okay, JK is 3.5. Okay. LM is 1 1/8. Okay. What is the position of point L? Oof, yeah, that's a bunch of bunch of calculations, and there is no way we'll be able to approximate, because look at those answers: 5 and 1/8, 5 and 1/4, 1.5, 6 and 1/4. It's very close. But what do we have to do? Did you know what you have to do at least?
No, I just guessed.
What about Dmitry? Did you have any ideas here?
Not really.
I don't know why everybody gets this question wrong all the time.
Wait, zoom out? Yeah, I guessed on this one.
All right. So how how do you have to do it to get it right? In order to find the position of L, right? You
Okay.
have to find out how long is the KL segment. So you can add that distance to the where the K is, and it will take you there. So all we have to do is to find how long is the KL. Imagine that you have like easier numbers. I don't know, 2, 3, 4, 5, and something, right? How do you know where is that something? Like let's say if you know that distance, right? If I say that this distance is 4, would you be able to tell me what this question mark is? Like without like seeing 2, 3, 4, 5? Of course, right? You will say, yes, of course I know what it is. It's 6, right? Why? Because this piece is 4, and from 2 I will add the 4, and I'll arrive at the 6. Same thing here. Let's find out how long is KL and add the result to the 3/8. That's all. Now, how do we find the distance of KL? What is the length of the KL? That's actually not that hard because we have the whole thing, right? We have the whole thing. And we have two portions, this portion and this portion, right?
I think you subtract those portions
Yes.
from the whole.
You subtract those two portions from the whole thing. You will get how long is the KL, and then you add that to the 3/8. Dmitry, you're awfully quiet here.
I'm trying to like. Okay. And what you guys your answer?
Well, it's a lot of calculations. 9 and 3/4, we're gonna have to probably make them all into the denominator 8, so it's gonna be 9 and 6/8 minus 3 and 4/8, and then the result minus 1 and 1/8. What are we gonna get? 9 and 6/8 minus 3 and 4/8 is gonna be 6 and 2/8. 6 and 2/8 minus 1 and 1/8 is going to be 5 and 1/8. 5 and 1/8 plus the 3/8. This
5.5.
5 and 1/8 is the distance of the KL. Why do I keep saying distance? Length of KL. I'm just doing
Is
too
this
much
33?
too much geometry. Yeah. So 5 and 1/8 plus 3/8 is going to be 5 and 4/8, which is 5.5. See. It's actually not that much of a calculations. Not that much of a calculations as I thought.
Okay. Wait, how many questions are there in total? 9, right?
I think 10. I think 10.
It
1,
stops at
2, 3,
114.
4. Yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah.
From
Yeah.
114, what's 114 minus 105?
9, but it's not how it works. You have to add on
Fine,
1.
fine.
Did I show you how it works actually? Why people think that it's like 9, but it's actually not? I'll show you. You'll remember it once and like forever. No, let's do not 1, 2. It's like too primitive. Let's say I will do 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many numbers are here?
5,
What is 8 minus 4?
4.
Why? Why there's 8 minus 4 is 4, but there are 5 numbers. That's how it works. If you want to find out how many questions are in between, you have to subtract, but you have to add 1 always. So the same thing worked for the questions. It's 114 minus 105 plus 1. So it's 9.
Oh, okay.
That's how it works. All right, classic. Very, very classic. Sometimes you're going to have to do a lot in your Algebra 1 class.
This is easy. If I got this wrong, I'll get very mad.
Okay, is this John?
Yeah,
Are you confident in this?
a little.
No, you both got it right.
Oh, yeah.
What do you have to do? X in terms of y. You had to add 3y to the both sides, right? Get 4x equals to 3y plus 12. And then you have to divide everything by 4, which is x equals to 3/4 y plus 3. Boom. That's it. G, obviously. All right, next.
113.
1 and 13. Let's go. First of all, let me see if you got it right or not. 113. Okay, this is John. Congratulations, you got it right. Dmitry got it wrong.
Oh.
Okay, as is John is catching up. All right,
This is not fair.
not so easy, right? Okay, there are
No,
20
it's real easy.
there are 20 students in the class. The frequency table above shows the number of students in the class who ate 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 servings of fruits, vegetables yesterday. What is the mean number of servings of fruit, vegetables eaten yesterday per student in the class? Dmitry, it actually is an easy question if you know how to do it. Do you know how to do it?
Maybe, maybe not.
Frequency, right? This is frequency. In order to find median, when you have a frequency table, all you have to do is take out one by one the lowest and the highest until you get to the middle. And when you're gonna stop at the middle, that's gonna be the median. Look, I'm gonna subtract one from the bottom, one from the top. It's gonna be 4 now, right?
Wait,
Zero,
it's asking for the median or the mean?
what? Oh, mean? Oh my god. Oh my god. You're right. Mean. Okay, so different story. Okay, we have to. I'm not even gonna edit this. Okay, so 0 times 5. All right, so 0 fives we have, or 5 zeros, doesn't matter. It's gonna end up giving us 0. What you're gonna have 1 7 of the sevens is gonna be 7. We're gonna have 3 twos. That's 6. 12, 0, 5. You add all of them and then divide by how many? So 7 plus 6, 13 plus 12, 25 plus 5, 30. 30 we're going to have to divide by what?
5?
By 20. No, 20 students.
Oh,
So it's going to be 3 over 2, which is 1 and 1/2. Hey,
isn't that what I sent you?
no.
Oh,
You said
I
it's
see.
B.
Wow, I'm actually stupid.
Last question. You both got it. I didn't say you both got it. You both got different answers, kind of.
Oh,
So let's see who's got it.
This is the tiebreaker, I'm pretty sure. If I get
Yeah,
this wrong, it's just John's tied.
yeah. Let's see. G. Ah, Aziz John got it right, and Dmitry got it
yes!
wrong. Ha ha ha!
Bro.
Wow, like it was actually an interesting battle today because Dmitry was right like in the first probably like 6 7 questions in a row. No, 6 I would say, and then started getting it wrong. So basically, it's like this: Aziz John starts slow but warms up till closer to the end. And Dmitry is the other way around. You
I
start,
come off strong.
yeah, you come off strong, but then you get tired. All right. So, a paste used to cover a billboard is made by mixing the following ingredients by weight: 4 parts, 3 parts, 2 parts, 1 part of different things. To cover the billboard requires 30 pounds of this paste. How many total pounds of what is a resin? Resin are required to cover 4 billboards. Hmm 2 parts
Uh,
resin.
can I show what I did?
Yeah.
Okay, so basically there's like 10 ports in total, and 2 of those ports are resin. So I did 2 tens times 30, and I got 6. And then I multiplied 6 times 4 and got
Okay,
24.
that makes sense. Look at this, Dmitry. So there is total of 10 if you add all the parts, 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, right? And raisin is here, it's 2. So it's 2 out of 10. But 2 out of 10 out of what? Out of the 30 pounds. So times 30, which is 60 over 10, which is 6. And then it's not one billboard, it's 4 billboards. So we do 4 times 6, we get 24. That's the answer. Say something.
Something.
Good answer. All right, this is it. Guys, we're done. It was fun.
Okay.
It was interesting. It was exciting. We'll do it. We'll do
Okay,
it.
thank you.
We'll do it next time. Do better next time. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.